How to turn off automatic swing for Spider-Man in Marvel Rivals. Everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can turn off automatic swing for Spider-Man in Marvel Rivals. So if you're also looking on how we can do that, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just get started and look out on how to do it. First thing first, open up your Marvel Rivals game. And once you've opened up, you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So the step number one you can follow is head over and look out for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, right beside the messages notifications. You can find it. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you will be finding this menu pop up on your screen. Once you see this menu, head over to settings, the very first option, and you will be taken to this interface. And once you're here, you can see in the middle keyboard and controller. You can either go ahead and look out for keyboard or controller, keyboard or either controller. And once you're there, you will be finding this section here. So once you're on your keyboard, click on your keyboard, you will be finding a smaller menu under which you will be finding all hero section. Just go ahead and click on it and you will be finding a pop-up of all of the characters here. So just go ahead and select up Spider-Man from here, confirm it, and once confirmed, you will be finding this. So under here, you're going to look up for the option called automatic swing. Just find this toggle option and turn it off, and that's it. That is how you turn off automatic swing. If you're on your PC, you need to turn it off from both keyboard and controller. Just follow the same methods and that is it. That is how you turn off the automatic swing for Spider-Man in Marvel Rivals by following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have got any questions, and I will see you in the next one.